Right then guys, have a look at this. Get the old key in there. Position 1. And I've got a brake light on there and got a brake light on the lever. Position 2. Headset bulb and the dip light comes on. And foot brake, lever. And then position 3. Got my main beam, high and low works. And the horn works, but it's not going to beep because there's only not a lot of power there. But also got my foot brake and my handbrake. So how good's that? Fucking clever fucker, ain't I? You know what it was? This poxy fucking grey wire here was supposed to go in there, and that was according to Sticky's book, and according to the website that MB put up, you just put a diagram up there, you don't have to connect the grey.